This is CodeCombat. I'm currently working on Game Development 1, the JavaScript version. I'm on level 17, seeing is believing. Goals: beat the game, track the game's defend property, defeat 6 munchkins in under 20 seconds, use UI.track function to display the object's property for the player. Wow. UI.track function. UI stands for user interface. .track function to display an object's property. And so the property we're going to display is be sure to beat up at 6 munchkins before 20 seconds. Got it. All right, so let's see. And here's a / comment for help. Add more spawners for more enemies on the field. More enemies, dang. Spawner dot. Add more spawners. Oh, spawner is the name of their variable. Yep. Okay, so variable spawner 2, we'll call it, equals game dot spawn xy. Add more spawners for more enemies on the field. Generator, sure, we'll leave it there. Okay. UI track, display an object's property for the players to see. UI track game time, so the property we're going to be seeing is time of game. UI track game's defend property. Okay. UI.track game, comma, defend. Oh, defeated, I should be saying. That makes sense. Okay. Oh, and it added it. Increase the hero's max speed. Okay. Well, what's the hero's name? So the variable we made for the hero, the samurai, is player. So player dot max speed equals 15. Press play and defeat 6 munchkins or skeletons. Okay. Go, go, go. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, not good. Am I fast? Oh, I'm so fast. Did I win or lose? I was defeated. Increase the hero's max speed. I could increase the attack damage, but I'm going to try one more time. I'm just going to run from this. Oh no, you can't. Uh-oh, this was a bad plan. Oh, fine. Let's try it now. Oh look, they're dying slightly faster. But I have no guilt about this, to be clear. Wait, are they not going to give me the win? I defeated them. Oh, I have to live for 20 seconds? But oh, I could have just ran away. Oh well. We did it. Woohoo!